guys, this is Chelsea Baker, professional cosmetologist of 5 years. Today I'm going to show you how to do a smoky eye using 3 shades of brown. Let's get started. So to make a smoky eye with 3 shades of brown, it's very simple. You're going to want a really light brown, a medium brown, and a dark brown. I chose a medium golden dark brown, and this is going to go all over the eyelid as my base color. Then I'm going to take my dark brown and apply that on the outer corner of the eye and up into the crease, making sure it's nice and blended. Up almost toward the brow. We want it to look very smoky and sultry. Then I'm going to take my lighter brown, almost a light gold, and apply that right in the corner of the eye, on the outer corner of the eye. Once again, making sure everything is nice and blended. This is a very popular smoky eye look. It's very, very pretty. And there you go. And that's how to create a smoky eye using 3 shades of brown. If you have any more beauty questions, feel free to ask.